Hello students, today we are going to be looking at quadratic equation and we are going to be using the factorization method. And after this class, I'm going to give you questions which of course you will submit. Let's look at it now. This is factorization, this is quadratic equation and I want to use factorization method. So when you want to solve this kind of question, look for the one number that does not have x, which is this. So this is minus 12. Then you look for two numbers that when you multiply, you're going to have minus 12. And when you add the two numbers, you're going to have plus 4. I take it again. Look for two numbers that when you multiply, you're going to have minus 12. And when you add the two numbers, you're going to have plus 4. So instead of you racking your brain in exams or maybe you are writing text or classwork, what you just have to do is to use your LCM method. So just quickly do like find the LCM of the 12 here, of this 12. Find the LCM. 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 6, 3. 3, right? 1. Of course. So when you get this now, take the first one, 2 times, then multiply the remaining one here. 2 times 3 is going to be what? 6. Then the second one, take the first and the second, multiply the 2, which is going to be 4, times the last one. Do you understand what I did? I took the first one, 2, then I multiplied the remaining 2, 3, gives me 6. The second time, I take 2 times 2, 4, then I take the last times the last one, 3. So when you have it like this, just write or 2 times 6 or 4 times 3. So when you have the attached sign, negative and positive sign. Positive sign here, put negative. Then let negative come first here, let positive be here. Positive here, put negative. Positives here, positive comes first, negative. Then let negative comes first, then positive. So with this now, you can get the numbers that when you multiply it together, it's going to give you minus 12. And when you add, it's going to give you plus 4. Do you understand? Okay, now, let's try this. 2 times minus 6 will give us minus 12. That's correct. 2 times, okay, let's now do 2 plus minus 6. It's going to give us 2 plus times minus. Plus times minus is what? Minus, that's correct. Minus 6. So 2 minus 6 will give us what? Minus 4. So that's not what we're looking for. We need plus 4. So this is not correct. Although it can give us minus 12, but it cannot give us plus 4. So let's try the second one. Minus 2 times 6 will give us minus 12. Then that's minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus times plus 6, yes. So minus 2 plus 6. You are owing 2 naira and you have 6 naira. When you pay the 2 naira, you still have 4. That's plus 4. So this gives us what we are looking for. So we pick this because minus 2 times 6 minus 12. Minus 2 plus 6 plus 4. Can you just get that? Cool, that's correct. So we pick this now. So you just open your bracket here, put x plus, open another bracket, x plus. Are you getting it? It's very simple. So just pick the number one after the other. Minus 2 plus 6. So you have x plus times minus again. Oh, minus 2. Then, for this, x plus times plus 6. This is your final answer. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Oh, let's try another one. I can rub up this. Please take note of all of these points. Okay? Okay? Now, let's start this. Let's try this. I have 3x squared plus 10x minus 8. Now you can see the first one we did was something like this. I think x squared plus 4x minus 12. Now the coefficient here is not visible, which is 1. For here, the coefficient of this x here is visible. So anytime you have visible coefficient, that's from 1 point something of 2, 3 upward, then what you do now is you multiply the coefficient here 3 by the 8. That is when it's visible, not 1. If it's greater than 1, you have to multiply these two together. So when you multiply this, it's going to give us 3 times minus 8 minus 24. Then the same formula we use. So what we do is we try to make this LCM. We make the LCM of we find the LCM of 24. So when we find the LCM of 24, like the other one, so let's do it. 2 in 24, 12. 2 in 12, 6. 2 in 6, 3. 3, 1. Do you understand? Okay? So what we do now is we take the first one, 2. Are you getting it? 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12. Okay? Do you understand? Let's take, that's the first one. Let's take the first 2, 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4. Times 2 times 3, the remaining one, 6. Do you understand? Let's take the first 3 now. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, that's it. Do you understand? Okay, we cannot put or 2 times 12 or 4 times 6 or 8 times 3. So let's attach our sign now. This is minus, then this is plus. First, let's put negative. Negative now, plus. Plus, negative. Negative has come last now. Let's it come first. Negative, plus. Plus, negative. Negative, plus. So we have now. Let's now choose. We can now choose the number that's going to give us. So when we multiply that number, when we multiply it, it's going to give us minus 24. Then when we add it, it's going to give us plus 10. So if you try the first one, I'll be very fast in this. 2 times minus 12 is going to give us minus 24. But 2 times minus 12, 2 times minus 12 will give us what? 2 plus minus 12 will give us what? Will give us minus 10. So this is not what we are looking for. Okay, let's try this. Minus 2 times 12 will give us minus 24. Then minus 2 plus 12. Minus 2 plus 12. Minus 2 plus 12. Now it's going to give us what? Minus 2 plus 12. The second one here. It's going to give us plus 10. Plus 10. So we choose this. Plus 10. Can you just understand that? Plus 10. So when you get, so we pick now. We pick minus 2 plus 10. Minus 2 plus 10. But wait now. You are not going to open your bracket and put x now, because of the coefficient that is visible here. So what you do anytime the coefficient is visible, so what you do now is you divide the two numbers that you have by that coefficient. This is going to be by 3 by 3. Am I right? Okay. By 3, yes. Then what's the second one? 12. Hey, sorry. This is plus 12. Sorry. Plus 12. So by 3, then by 3. Do you understand now? So we cannot open our bracket. If you do this one, of course, you are going to have 12 minus 3. You are going to have 4 over 1. Do you understand that? Do you get what I'm saying? So now, what we're going to do now is we now open our bracket. X plus. So for this answer now, I can just put it now. If I put minus 2 over 3, so I'm still going to have x plus times minus 2 over 3. That's for this. Then for this, my answer is 4. I'll be x plus. Okay, x plus, then I have my what's the 4. Then I plus 4. So I'm still going to have x plus 4. So this is my final answer. X minus 2 over 3, then brackets open, x plus 4. So please, I take it again, when you are multiplying to have the number you are going to find in LCM, when you get your number, you have to divide it by that coefficient. So whatever you get, that is going to be your answer. That's going to be your answer. Thank you very much. And now the question I'm going to give you. Let me wrap up this. The question I'm going to give you. And you have to submit this. So let me give you 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. You have to submit this. Thank you very much.